Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to open the Samsung Smart TV remote for battery replacement. So this might become particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your remote isn't really working as well as it used to, meaning that when you click the buttons, it's not as responsive. Now, in order to do this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but this is what my Samsung TV remote looks like, okay? And with this, the way it actually works is that you press down and then slide down, and that is how you actually open up the Samsung Smart TV remote. So if we actually go ahead and open it up, we'll see that the types of batteries being used are two AA batteries, which are located right over here. So go ahead and insert your brand new two AA batteries, and then in order to close it back up, you simply slide it back in and then wait until it's actually firm within closing it up just like that. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and open up your Samsung Smart TV remote for battery replacement. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.